Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 on your Android. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. At the device list, click the settings icon or information icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the top I have a name, near to the name here's pencil icon. On some devices it's located at the right top. And you need to tap at this pencil icon, but some Android phones have a line with a name at the top, and then you need to tap at this line. Now, we can write the best one for you, so let's say I want to remove this text and add something like this one. The most important is to click rename right here at the right bottom in this window, but you may have done or OK or something else, so click on it and we just save this new name, and right here as you can see we change it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.